If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Bitcoin video update. Yesterday there was a conversation about the total market crypto cap, and I told you that the market crypto cap was looking amazing even though Bitcoin was under the resistance. So today we have Bitcoin that actually just popped out of here, and I think this is the time where we're going to actually look for Bitcoin to come above this place. And as far as I remember, I do remember giving you a stop loss at 20,236, right? And I said that if it takes this one out, then we potentially will never reach $23,000. But it is what it is right now. And if you want to know why we broke the resistance and we moved higher, the only answer to that is the total market crypto cap. This is what was bullish, that really, and I told you yesterday clearly that, hey, look at that. I told you the update, right? And we're looking for a 44% move up for, the total market cap. So basically, we're potentially on a technical journey to actually come up to $1.336 trillion, because if there's anything that is heavier than Bitcoin in scale, it is the total market cap. So basically, right now, for the market cap, not only did you break the resistance, but you also have a bull flag right over here. If you look at this, that's your bull flag, and you take this top here to the bottom right there, and you're going to see that this has a technical target to actually come to 1.22. Now, for the sake of the bull flag right now, I'm just going to actually leave it at $1.227 trillion. So basically, that is a move up of nearly 21% move to the upside, and that for Bitcoin as well. You can see that Bitcoin really has an identical situation right now, and that is to actually have the bull flag right over there as well. So the main trade was never about Bitcoin, but I actually kept an eye on that total crypto market cap, and you can see that we can take the top to the bottom right here for Bitcoin, and this is where you're popping out. Now I can say you're nearly 26,836. You're nearly coming up to that level. Now the irony is that you just broke out of it and you never back tested this level. Maybe in the future you can actually come back down here, so you gotta be careful about this one. And that's it for this update on Bitcoin right now. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.